how when the sun and the moon go into the exact same position?
Well, it's the shadow of the Earth, so half the moon is going to be gone at 6 a.m. It's going to look like half of it is missing.
Like the mouse is A off the moon.
Yep.
And the fiddle mouse. We're just mousing around.
Alright, so are we ready?
We're ready.
Alright.
You got our camping supplies and our fishing supplies.
We gotta go feed the chickens and then we're gonna hit the road. It's like a 3.5 hour trek, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Excuse me, Daddy.
Let's skedaddle. We're here. We made it safe to a place I used to come a lot in my childhood with my uncle. And now I bring my daughter to Piney Run National Park. Alright, so we rented a boat, a nice little rowboat. She's casting out and she's rowing her little heart out. Look at this. We're trying to go over there to see if we can catch any kind of trout or something because we are trying to eat good tonight. And Feodora gonna show you how to cast out. There you go, cast it out, sweetie. That's my girl, look at her. Give me a thumbs up, sweetie. Yeah.
You are.
I know. Because you're pedaling crazy.
Oh look, you can see a ranger up the water.
And now we're back in. That's pretty decent. Fire. grill going. We'll throw some dogs and burgers on here. Caught a couple of bluegill. Me and my buddy. Right, buddy? Groot. Quiet. Quiet. I'm recording. Quiet. 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 Oh, I'm recording? Oh, nah. I'm going to throw some of these bluegill right on the grill. Bluegill on the grill. Bluegill on the grill. Blue grill. Blue grill. Glue grill. Grill. We having a grill.